It's JRU with 14 points. 8 of those came in the third set alone. You saw the numbers. Bumalik na yung strength ng JRU pagdating sa blocking, and it made all the difference. Resulted to a set win for the Lady Bombers, and that's something they are hoping that they can continue here in the fourth. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Nicole Deyala with the adjustment. And JRU carries their third set momentum here to the fourth.
Yun lang naman ang cons ng isang kaliwete. Pero pag kanan yung sinatan ng gano'n, maaabot niya yun. Dahil kaliwa, medyo sumobra. Medyo sumobra yung pagkakaset sa kanya at medyo pangit na yung angulo para kunin. Hirap din ang trabaho ng setter,
Mahirap. Kailangan maganda yung connection.
At saka kailangan yung kahit na ano yung first ball, habulin mo. Kailangan mo habulin, kailangan mo maibigay pa rin ng maganda. Doesn't matter kung pangit yung bigay sa'yo.
And this is why volleyball is one of the ultimate team sports. Kasi konektado lahat yan.
Oo.
Diba?
And fun fact, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, bago po ako nag-basketball, volleyball po ang sport ko. Kasi yung dad ko, si Coach Paulo, ayan, naglaro siya dati sa RP team ng volleyball. Ang mga nakasabay niya before, yan, sila Coach Mia, Coach Obet, sila Coach Norman. Yung mga coaches ngayon sa volleyball, yun yung mga nakasama niya dati.
Of course, Coach Pau is now a strength and conditioning coach for many teams here in the country.
Yan, shout out sa tatay ko, siyempre, sa nanay ko na rin na nanonood at sa wife ko.
Rivera Fam. But for Perpetual here, ito yung kanina nilang nilabas. Si G. Palacio na nagpaparamdam ulit dito sa ating laban with that kill block. Menor also entering here in the fourth set. Gemaline Menor. Ramos.
Batara getting her groove late in the set number 3 and early in set number 4. Kailangan niya lang maging mas consistent and mas aggressive pa this set number 4 if they want to keep this game alive.
They need more of that coming from Kring Batara. More net activity. Fifi choosing Menor. Nandun si Alonia. Ito na, si Ramos again. She continues to make a difference. That is Zarina Ramos with a put down.
Yung magic bunot nito ni Coach Mia. Yung set number 3.
Digitan tayo. Uy! Pasambasa ni Kring. Pauline Reyes. Laurente brings it back to Zarina Ramos.
One.
Laurente is riding the hot hand.
And kung titignan po natin, itong lineup ng JRU ngayon na nasa loob, marami dito yung magiging future nila. And I can say na the future is gonna be bright.
And they're gelling so well. Kring Batara rejects it. And this is the net defense that's been so prominent for JRU in the fourth frame.
And Martin, if there's one thing na napansin mo dito sa parehas na team natin, for the entire game, wala pa ako nakita nung medyo excessive yung celebration. Parehas sila na parang very demure, very, alam mo yun, very nonchalant.
Hanggat hindi pa tapos yung laro. Bawal pang mag-celebrate.
And normally, hindi mo yan makikita sa isang game. Kasi ang isang game ng volleyball, halos every point, lalo pag maganda yung pagkapatay mo ng bola, may makikita kang some form of celebration.
This is Pauline Reyes connecting off a good set by Ariola. Tinulak na lang. Ramos! Same spot, targeted by Ramos.
Wow!
6-4 lead. And JRU controlling the start of the fourth. Now, Zarina Ramos will come from behind. Oh, Minor. 1-2. Alonia tracks it down. It's a chance ball. Perpetual on the attack. Minor. Si Laurente yung kumuha. Andal gives it up. Kombinasyon para kay Hazareno.
You know, I can't help but smile dito sa gilid habang nanonood. Because nakita ko yung struggle ng JRU ng set number 1 and set number 2. Nung hindi sila makakuha ng first ball, hindi sila makakuha ng block, hindi sila makakuha ng set. For some reason, ngayon medyo nakukuha nila yung groove nila. Nahahabol nila yung mga bola na binabato sa kanila ng Perpetual. And I love watching them play.
Yeah. Palacio. Hazareno! That's back-to-back points for JRU's team captain, Kayla Hazareno. And JRU will send us to our first technical timeout. When we return, we'll have Bikay Mindanao.
Hello mga kapuso, this is Glycel Galpo at ngayong araw ay nandito tayo sa Jose Rizal University sa Mandaluyong to witness their pep rally as a show of support for the JRU Bombers. Kaya naman tara at samahan niyo ako.
Maganda yung
NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball Tournament kung saan naglalaro pa rin po ang Lady Altas kontra Lady Bombers. And as crucial as this game is for the Lady Altas, sinabi nga ni Coach Sandy Rieta na hindi nila makukuha ang larong ito kung hindi sila magiging consistent. Ang sabi pa nga ni Coach Sandy ay pinaalala niya na hindi nila pwedeng sabayan yung ginagawa ng kanilang kalaban at kailangan nilang itong higitan to lessen their errors and to focus on what their opponent is doing. Let's see how the Lady Altas would apply all these reminders in the fourth set. Martin and Prince?
Yeah, that's an excellent point raised by Coach Sandy Rieta. Maraming salamat ni Kay Mindanao because if you just play to the rhythm of your opponent, you are giving them a chance. You're opening the door for them to take the win.
Oh, you're letting them see the light at the end of the tunnel. Which in their case, dapat yung mentality nila nandun sa killer mentality. Like yung katulad na sabi ko, kailangan nila ipanalo yung mga remaining games nila. Dapat as little set as possible para makapag-set kayo talaga ng message na we mean business.
Yeah, exactly. You know, taking control is gonna be key for Perpetual. They get a breather there. Kring Batara committing the attack error. So 5-9 lead now. And now, it's Gemaline Minor. She was their third leading scorer in the first round. But na-usurp na siya neto ni Camille Bustamante. Now Perpetual with back-to-back points. This is a rejection of a single coverage by G. Palacio. Inday. Off-speed hit. Lozano takes it. Bustamante. Easy track. Back row attack. Diretso kay Lozano. Bustamante again. Deflected. But Hazareno saves it. Perpetual with 3 straight points. They'll try to catch up here. Gemaline Minor still on deck. Oh. Difficult take. Oh, solid block by Palacio. The extension at the nets. 4 straight points para sa Lady Altas.
Sinisipagan nyo. Ayaw nyo lang kumapit eh. Pag ano, bitaw agad kayo.
Okay, Krino. Kasi single block tayo. Let's go, girls. Okay? One good reception. One good play. Okay? Tayo naman. Tayo naman. Let's go. Sal.
Eto na. Ang Perpetual Lady Altas. Oh. G Palacio again. Even left on an island against the attackers of JRU, no problem. She gets the single block. Ito si Jen Silverio. Comes in for Kring Batara. Gagamitin siya ulit ni Coach Mia. Little mix-up here for zip run. For Perpetual. Bustamante puts it through. Make that 5-0 now. 9-4 to kanina. 5 sunod para sa Perpetual. Tabla tayo sa set number 4. Ramos from behind. Bustamante with the off-speed hit. Ito na, si Hazareno. Inaangguluhan pa. Nandun sa likod si Minor. Bustamante. Ooh. Yeah, that went straight to the net and back to their side.
Oo, yan yung na-stop yung bleeding, ano? Kasi, again, 5-0 run.
Yeah.
By Perpetual, from 9-4
Yeah.
to all 9.
Okay.
Wow.
So they will kill their own momentum. Talking about Perpetual, but I think they were able to do enough to make a set out of this. Hazareno. Bustamante putting it through. Nagiinit na si Camille Bustamante.
Oh, and again, Mark, balikan lang natin beginning ng set number 4 and then latter part ng set number 3, ang hinanap talaga nila is their middle block, yung middle nila at saka si Ramos. But in this case, since nag-stop yung run nila, hindi pa nakakuha ng bola yung si Ramos at saka yung middle nila, except for that one block na nakuha ni Palacios kay Batara. But, I mean, kung ano yung effective, di ba dapat mas hanapin mo yun eh. And dun magaling si Ariola.
Nahanap yung effective na players. Ito, Winnie Bedanya.
Speaking of,
rising high for this put down.
Tsaka parang ang tagal bago bumalik ni Bedanya.
Namahinga ng konti dahil sa pagpasok kanina ni Palacio. But Perpetual committing service errors here. 12-11. This is an opening given to JRU side. Let's see what they can do in Dai. They go. Lefty push to Bedanya. Del Pilar with a delay, and it's good.
See, that's what I'm trying to say. Whatever is working, you milk it. And then once you can't, then you move on.
This is Pat Del Pilar's 15th point in the match. Winnie Bedanya again.
And that's what Perpetual has been doing the entire game. Whoever's hot, whoever's scoring, they keep on giving her the ball. And yun din yung naging mismong sinabi ni coach na bigay mo sa kanya.
Inday, combination. That's been working for JRU, but this time it's Dayala, chosen by Laurente. Kanina, gitna ang pinupuntahan dito ni Inday. Dun sa dalawang tumatalo na yon. Now it's Dayala. JRU ahead by 2. They're trying to force a 5th set here. Back set, Winnie. No. Ramos will try. It returned. Kept alive. This is going to be a chance ball. Perpetual. That's the wise thing to do while the other team is scrambling.
Oh, hindi. Tsaka yung placing nila, si Del Pilar, wala sa harap. Diba? So, ano mo ilalagay sa gitna?
Ito na si Kring Batara. Nagbabalik sa laban. Silverio will take a breather alongside Pat Del Pilar. So now, Winnie Bedanya, he has been carrying this Perpetual team here in the 4th. A miss hit for Dayala will tie things up. 14 all. It is as close as it can get.
Parang set number 3 to. Kinakabahan na naman po ako.
Back set. Ramos scores. Yeah. So now Ramos is back on the outside position. And she's going to be milked here by Inday. Only one blocker in front of her. 15, 14.
She's been effective.
Yeah. Menor. Ooh, Gemaline Menor. Tabla tayo sa 15. Menor again has been instrumental for the Lady Altas. Dito sa ating fourth set. It's her again. Outside.
And prior to that, parang medyo ganun din yung angulo nung una. But kinuha ni Alona.
Magbabalik po tayo with JRU ahead.
Hi mga kapuso, my name is Julia Ong. Question: anong NCAA school ang puro aral lang? Eddie, Arellano University! Pero syempre, joke lang yon. Nandito tayo today, hindi para mag-aral, kundi para makisaya sa kanilang NCAA Season 100 Pep Rally.
The lucky charm of JRU. This is the mom of Coach Mia Choseco, Ma'am Margarita Rojas, kasama ang kanyang mga kaibigan. Diba, nanonood, nag-e-enjoy ng volleyball action dito sa Phil Oil Center in San Juan. And I say she's the lucky charm because, Prince, you know this. You were there. You were covering the game.
Yes.
And that's how she was there when they got their second win.
Oh, and nabanggit nga ni Coach Mia kung gaano siya kasaya and uplifted kung nanood yung mommy niya. And katatapos ng Mother's Day halos during nung time na yon. So, hindi pa tapos ang Mother's Day kasi every day is a Mother's Day.
Exactly.
Diba?
Exactly.
And we honor our mom and dads na mga nandiyan dyan sa bahay na nanonood ngayon. Sumusuporta sa kanilang pamilya, mga anak. Ayan.
Thank you for watching on a Friday afternoon. Challenge tayo dito. Ball in, ball out.
Parang parang masyadong close dun sa line eh.
Lapit.
So antayin natin yung replay kung anong makikita natin dyan.
Parang at the last second, nalaglag yung bola. You know, it looked like it was clearly going out, but at the last second,
parang dun
iba yung
trajectory.
trajectory. Yeah. So, another challenge utilized by our coaches. It is a toe-to-toe battle sa ating fourth set.
Walang bumibigay, walang umaayaw. Laban lang ng laban.
And again, this is what our fans deserved in the NCAA. Para naman dito sa Perpetual, crucial sana sa kanilang manalo in straight sets. But, you know, it is what it is. They wanna still get the win.
Yeah, I mean, sabi nga lang yung remaining games daw nila. Whoop! Parang pumasok. Ay,
hindi. Outside.
Wow. Yan yung sinasabi nating thin line eh. Oo eh. Pero parang last second. Ano eh, di ba?
That was close. 17 to 15.
Oo, kailangan ng Perpetual yun kanina. That would have shifted the momentum.
Exactly. Andal. Menor!
Pero,
hindi pa siya tapos.
At hindi siya magme-menor sa lakas ng palo.
Ayan. Yun ang maganda.
Yun ang maganda.
Nice one. Diba?
Kumbaga, sabi nga nila, pag umapa ka sa gasolina, apakan mo.
Nasa fourth gear.
Oo.
Itong si Menor. Anticipated. Binalik ni Alonia. A scramble for both teams. Hazareno. Off the block for Kayla Hazareno.
Grabe yung check ball na yun. Napakatulis.
Look at this. Single coverage by Palacio. Azareno, pinadaan lang sa kanya.
Kung ano man yung mga nagiging comments namin and syempre analysis namin sa game na to, live yun.
That's right.
We're there. Oo, kung naririnig nyo man to ngayon, yung mga players natin dyan, huwag nyo na lang papuntahin dito yung bola.
17 to 18. Costly attack error or service error rather.
Pero ready naman kami ni Martin. Ready naman kami ni Martin.
Yeah. Ano naman?
Always ready kami. Bigyan kami ng bola. Ako isushoot ko yan.
Oo. Kahit nga bigay nyo kay Mikay eh. Volleyball player yan.
Oo.
Kaya niyan. Di ba?
Uy! Nagpalitan lang ng score.
Oo.
Nagpalitan lang, sabi. Ayaw nila ng free point kasi sabi, binigyan nyo kami, sa'yo na rin to. Para pantay lang tayo, para maganda yung laban.
Gusto natin quality rally.
Quality rally. Hindi pa tayo nakakita ng mahabang rally sa set number 4, katulad nung nasa set number 3 kanina.
So Hazareno begins. That's a better serve. Pedanya anticipated. Del Pilar! Whoa! Regalo! And she reads it well. JRU now ahead by 3. Pat Del Pilar with a second jump.
Yan yung Pat Del Pilar
Hindi na alam gagawin pagka
na napanood namin last game.
Di ba, hindi nakarelax to eh. Ako ba lang, nataranta na kayo. Wala lang, hindi na pumwesto. Dapat may nakapwesto dun eh. Sino ba dapat doon? Wala? Di ba? Kung pumwesto ba yun, mayangat natin yun eh. Ang layo pa niya no.
An increased level of frustration mula dito kay Coach Sandy Reyeta. And not even standing up during the timeout. Dahil tiwala naman siya. Alam niya naman yung gagawin. You know, that's what he always says. But somehow the girls are not executing.
And again, nag-remind lang siya na dapat nandudong kayo sa tamang mga position ninyo. Kasi yan yung mga maliliit na bagay na pag naalagaan mo, talaga namang sulit.
And that's not the ideal response for Perpetual after a timeout. Net touch on Winnie. I think this is her third already in this match. Battle ng libero natin This is a great battle. In the digging department, Andal with 19, Alonia with 23. So, just that's an indicator of the quality of rallies we're having here. Pat Del Pilar gives JRU the 5-point lead. Nabuhayan ang JRU Lady Bombers.
Uulitin ko, ito yung Pat Del Pilar na nakita namin last game. So tuwing nakaka-score siya, makikita mo yung how high she is.
Yung may instruction point, hindi niyo masinusunod. Bahala na kayo dumiskarte dyan. Ayaw niyo naman sumunod eh. 4 na set na to, paulit yung ginagawa
Makapitan pa kaya ito ng Perpetual. JRU riding high with confidence. Del Pilar with 17 points in the match. 15 off attacks and 2 blocks. And she is providing the energy late in the 4th set. Underhand setup here. Easy up. Pat. Outside. Good intention, but just too much to the right.
Pero matay yung momentum nila doon.
Fifi Ariola will start. Good pass from Ramos. Deyala.
Binawi naman ni Nicole.
Nicole Deyala with a crucial point, winding up and putting it down. 23 to 18 for JRU. This is a different JRU team we are seeing. Look at the bring here. Hirap nung pagkadala doon kay Ariola. Set point, JRU.
And parang dahil sa taas ng energy ng JRU ngayon, parang things aren't really just, you know, happening for Perpetual.
Ramos. Oh, chance ball. Reyes couldn't do it. Here is Ramos again. Oh, tracked down by Ariola. Bustamante puts it through.
Same spot.
Yeah.
Same spot yun. Kaya naabangan na.
Camille Bustamante keeping Perpetual alive here in the fourth. But they need to play flawless volleyball. Oh, this is a great pass. Del Pilar. Ah, what a dig by Ariola. Reyes. Check ball.
Pauline Reyes.
Pumapalag ang Perpetual Lady Altas. Wow. Look at this. Here's the serve. Laurente. Deyala. Cross court. It's good. And we go to a deciding fifth set. Nicole Deyala with a sharp cross-court kill to end set number 4. And it goes their way, 25-20, when we return fifth and deciding set.